Why do 70% of comeback stories have a twist? Because unpredictability is the name of the game. So, Daniel Jones just made his preseason debut after an ACL tear. And yikes, it was a bit rough. 2 interceptions, one even turned into a touchdown by Jalen Petrie of the Texans. Not the fairy tale return we were hoping for, right? But hey, it's just preseason. Jones did show some promise, connecting with rookie Malik Nabers for his first NFL preseason catch and even scrambled for 12 yards. Sure, the interceptions were a bummer, but there's a silver lining. This season is a make or break for Jones. The Giants have been eyeing potential replacements, so every game matters. Keep your fingers crossed, Giants fans. Let's see if Jones can turn this preseason stumble into a season success. Catch you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.